eli5 show underscore prediction not showing probability. I'm using the show underscore prediction function in the eli5 package to understand how my xgboost classifier arrived at a prediction. For some reason I seem to be getting a regression score instead of a probability for my model. Below is a fully reproducible example with a public dataset. This gives me the following result. Note the score of 3.7, which is definitely not a probability. The official eli5 documentation correctly shows a probability though. The missing probability seems to be related to my use of xgboost_model.get_booster. Looks like the official documentation doesn't use that and passes the model as is instead, but when I do that I get type error column str object is not callable, so that doesn't seem to be an option. I'm also concerned that eli5 is not explaining the prediction by traversing the xgboost trees. It appears that the score I'm getting is actually just a sum of all the feature contributions, like I would expect if eli5 wasn't actually traversing the tree but fitting a linear model instead. Is that true? How can I also make eli5 traverse the tree?
Fixed my own problem. According to this GitHub issue, eli5 only supports an older version of xgboost, equals 0.6. I was using xgboost version 0.80 and eli5 version 0.8. Posting the solution from the issue. And then replacing the last line of my question's code snippet with "fixed my problem."